Crazy Creative Kitchen. Welcome back to the video. Welcome back to the vibe. Today we're making homemade pasta. And to make homemade pasta, all you need is 3 simple ingredients: flour, eggs, and extra virgin olive oil. So let's get into the vibe. Let's get into the video. First thing I want you to do is I want you to hit. So all I want you to do now is just hit that like button, hit that thumbs up button, and let's get into the vibe. So what you want to do is you want to take a cup and a half of all-purpose flour. Make a well in your flour with a spoon and dump your eggs inside, just like it looks on the screen in front of you. Then we're gonna take a dinner fork and we're just gonna slowly whisk. What's gonna happen is the egg is slowly gonna take the flour and it's gonna start getting thicker and thicker as you go along. The harder it gets, the better. What you're gonna do then is you're gonna get rid of the fork and you're gonna finish it with your hands. You're gonna just finish kneading it with your hands. After it becomes a solid ball, so after, you'll find that you won't need all that flour, so you'll just push the rest aside. After it becomes a solid ball, what we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap it with some plastic. So after it becomes a solid ball, we're gonna wrap it with some plastic and let it rest for like 20 minutes. Then we're gonna come back and we're gonna roll it and cut it. So So now what you want to do is take the excess flour that you put aside, then you want to put it on your board and gently roll your dough until it's thin and flat, flipping it over as you go along. So flip, roll, and just roll the dough until it's thin as possible and flat. Then what you're gonna do is you can take a knife, cut the edges away, and then we're gonna take a pizza cutter and we're gonna make strips of pasta. So now let's get into the vibe. So we're gonna take our pizza cutter and we're gonna make thin strips of pasta. So you can cut them as thick as you want or as thin as you want. It's up to you, it's up to your liking.